Listen, man, you listen to Yasir Qadhi long enough and you will start looking at your father and telling him, are you my father? Are you my grandfather? Are you my uncle? Who are you? If you're going to listen to Yasir Qadhi, I don't know who Athari, man. If he's Athari, then he's going to be like us because we're Atharis. I don't know what you're talking about, random user. Can you change the name from, how can you be called random user and then expect people to answer you? Come on, people. Even when you choose a name that, that makes sense. Random user is a turnoff. It's a turnoff, ya Sheikh. Anyways, bro, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what this Athari is talking about, but that is a ramification of this wuku puku tatatutu Yasir Qadhi nonsense. 3.5 lectures, 3.5 hours of library chat where he's chatting with himself. Who has a 3.5 hour chat with himself? You call this a chat? Chat is when you talk to another creature. No, Yasir Qadhi, man. We're not going to spend our life refuting the stupidity that he disseminates all the time. Otherwise, I will have no other job. My whole da'wah career will be refuting Yasir Qadhi because every day he has a musibah. I listen to his talk about Jesus and the belief in Jesus. Still, you can take 10 things of major grave of nature that he seeps into the topic that will leave you confused. And only people that know the subject know what I'm talking about. He's slowly trying to have you reach the point where you cannot even pass takfir on anyone, even if someone outright denied authentic traditions from the Prophet ﷺ. Oh, why do you listen to Yasir Qadhi? I listen to Yasir Qadhi because I want to see where he's going with where he's going. I don't listen to him to learn from him. I listen to him because that's my field. That's my field. That's the field of people given da'wah. Trust me. I listen because I need to be aware of what is the agenda. At this point, I'm convinced there's an agenda. It's no longer just mishaps and just mistakes. There's an agenda, and I need to know what this agenda is so we can be ready. We can be ready to warn the Muslims accordingly.